Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make some vegan mushroom soup. Super earthy, delicious, great for any time. So first I broke up a whole bunch of mushrooms, destemmed them. These stems you can save for mushroom stock, which we use later in this recipe, but can use for a lot of different purposes. You can use portobellos, shiitakes, whatever you feel like, but these are what I had on hand. Cook these down to a point where they've reduced and shrunken up a little bit. Next, you'll slice up some garlic and onion. Just a rough chop works better for the texture of the soup. Next, we'll take some baby bok choy and destem them. You don't need to chop these up too much. They're pretty small and they reduce pretty significantly in the pot. I didn't add any liquid at this point. This is just the liquid coming off the mushrooms that'll help cook up the onions and the garlic a little bit. The mushroom stock I used here, I made. Basically all the mushroom stems I've used through the last couple months have been stored in the freezer bag in the freezer. Added some water and boiled it down to make the stock. Then you sieve off all the mushroom bits left and then you get a nice stock. Adding in some potatoes. You can use any kind of potato you want, just make them bite-sized so it's easy to eat with the soup. Next, add in some tofu. Toss in the bok choy and just let it cook and reduce and wilt down the bok choy. At the very end, top it with some sesame seeds and enjoy.